go. Howdy, boys, girls, and squirrels, SoCloseToToast here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, getting ready for the weekend. And we want to start off your weekend just right with a, I think, a very fitting video that just dropped on Beatbox International, and that's Rogue Wave. If you don't know who Rogue Wave, it's Colaps and River, who are going to be versing in the grand finals for GBB 2021. But I guess I got this little shout out on Beatbox International that we gotta check out, because why not? Let's see them together before they verse each other. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're excited, if you're pumped up to see a little tag team action, River, Colaps, I feel like they really have been growing their styles collectively and taking inspirations from each other. To see them together like this, it's always a pleasure. So let's get right into this. Of course, it's only like 2 minutes long, very short, very sweet, but you know, take what we can get.
What's up, guys? This is Colaps, River, and this is a big shout out to Beatbox International. We are Rogue Wave from France and Colombia.
Exactly.
Those microphones are always the best, especially outside. You don't hear any ambiance, really. That flow is nuts. Oh, the synergy is off the walls. They're so cohesive.
In your town too.
Dude, the inward bass ping-ponging is so good. Little reverb. No, it's not over. No, bring it back. No.
Cheers. Thank you, guys.
There could have been another drop. They could, bros. There's more to this routine, 100%. That was very clean. I just love when they're doing the inward basses and it's back to back, back to back. It just sounds so good. They are very similar and unique in their styles. You can tell distinctly who's doing what to some degree, but I get lost a little bit in who's doing what sounds because I think that they just cater to each other's styles so perfectly. But ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of this short, sweet Rogue Wave routine here? I'm thinking, isn't there tag team stuff in GBB 2021? Like, we've just been watching the solo battles, but there is so much more to come. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Shake 'em and bake 'em.